back to my channel. It is Saturday. I am so excited that it's Saturday. So I'm going to vlog my day because Saturdays I always look forward to Saturday. What am I saying? Okay guys, I just woke up from sleep, so pardon me. Okay, Saturdays are like amazing, okay, because I work from Sunday night through Friday. Yeah, so Saturdays I get to sleep on my bed, so I'm always like super excited about Saturdays. And today I wanted to like just vlog. I have a couple of things to do, like go buy groceries and something. Okay, yeah, I need to buy hair, guys. In my last hair video I showed you how the locks I did last ruined my front hair. See, my edges gone. Okay, this place is still okay, this one is gone. Okay, gone. Anyway, so I'm going to go get wigs, maybe one or two, I don't know. But see, this girl is not doing braids again, at least until this thing comes back. Because it feels so weird. Like, I can't be wearing my hair like this now. Look at my edges. This is so embarrassing. Anyway guys, so I'm going to take you guys through my day. Okay, so this is currently this is 11:22 a.m. Okay, I mean, I got back from work around 5 and I slept till 11. I mean, I think I tried. I mean, I could have slept till like 2, but I slept till 11. I don't know if it's up to like 8 hours sleep, but I'm going to take you guys to the African market again today for hair, actually. And I hope I find something that is good because I cannot be carrying my hair like this. I need to like do my hair like cornrow style. So I don't know. It's a whole thing. I'll just take you guys along, okay? If you're new to my channel, my name is Cheche. Welcome to my channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for coming back. And guys, I'm really grateful. We are like in 1,000 subscribers. Okay, yeah. All right, let me stop talking. So let's get into this video, guys.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. But we fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can fight it. Can we go through this again? Will we fight and we fall? Can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. going back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide. It keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall. Can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again? Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
So, do you know what's funny, right? That last video, the last clip you guys saw was like a week from now. So when I got home that day, I was like extremely tired. I did an outro though. I did an outro, but the lights, it was already like getting dark, so the lighting was really bad, and I think this light is not so good as well. I'm gonna try and see if I can get good lighting. Anyway, so the lighting was like really bad, and I watched the outro and it wasn't so good. So I was like, I'm going to film it again the next morning, and I never did. I just got busy, and this is like a week later. It was supposed to be a day in my life, but this is like 2 different days in my life. Okay guys, so I'm going to like end the vlog here, not like here, but this is going to be like my outro. Then you guys will see the rest of the clips from today's video. Of course, I'll just vlog today as well. I mean, why not, since I'm already here? Okay, so I'm going to Kmart to get a mirror. Let me show you guys. So you see this mirror, it's like, it's two-side. Okay, like this is the magnifying one, this is like the normal one, and this is like my viewfinder, because of course I film all my videos with my phone. Weird, right? So I film all my videos with my phone, and I need like a viewfinder because I film with my back camera, so I need to see if I'm out of focus, I need to see if I'm like in the middle and all that. So my mirror broke. Guys, I've not done like a makeup video in a very long time, so I'm going to go and get it back. And it wasn't really that expensive. It was like maybe like $5 or so. Yeah, so that's it. I'll go to Kmart and I'll just take you guys along. I mean, why not add it to the vlog as well? But this is going to be like an official outro, and then the clip is going to be like the outro. Okay, all right, so I'm waiting for my ride, so I'm outside currently waiting. Okay guys, so this is like one of the hair that I got in my video in those clips that you saw, right? So the plan was to go get one hair. Like, I was going to go and get one good hair. I was ready to invest and get a good hair, which I did, which is like that brownish one. Oh yeah, that hair is really nice, and it's like 360 frontal. Is that what they call it? Frontal, yeah. Okay, but then I saw this one. This one is synthetic though, but it feels so good. Let me show you guys what it looks like without the cap. Okay, so this is what it looks like without the cap, guys. So it's just the color that caught my attention. Like, I'm always like this, either I'm wearing a black hair or I'm wearing a brown hair kind of girl. So I was like, you know what, today I'm going to step out of my comfort zone and try something colorful, and this feels so good, and this looks so nice. Like, I can't believe I'm pulling off an ombre hair. Gold, me wearing gold. That is unbelievable, even for me. It is unbelievable, even for me. Anyway, so this is going to be like the end of this vlog, and of course I'll see you guys in Kmart. And guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. And still, if you haven't subscribed, why not? Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, bye.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Time, we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want, and we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Falling all over again, and our hands are tight, can't fight it. Can we go through this again? We fight and we fall